Hello, hello, hey, hey, this is OkayOkayOkOk. And today I am shading this Wonky, Wendy, and the Crumbling Candy Factory panel, the Epic Epilogue, issue number 5. Extra wide, blueberry ride. And as you can see here, like the first second is in real time, and then I jump it up to twice the speed of light. So, no, what's that? I will mess with time. You know that? Einstein, Rick and Morty. But anyways, yeah, this is Wonky Wendy, and this scene is what introduces the, it's in pre-order, and pre-order is now available. This is on my Sellfy store right now. When you pre-order, you will get the full comic when it's released next month. At the end of August, you'll get an email with the download link. This scene is picking up from the end of issue 4, and I throw in as a bonus from last issue, the last 2 pages. If you've pre-ordered, you get those last 2 pages thrown into the mix so you can get caught up and remember where we were when we last left off, because it's been a while. This has been a little bit too long between issues, and I apologize for that. We've had a lot of crazy things going on, like we now have printed comics. I'm still working on getting graphic novels printed. Right now, I'm expecting Apocalyptic Blueberry to arrive any day now, and then it will be available for purchase. These are real printed comic volumes. Wendy Wonka is available as volume 1 and 2. And next, I'm working on the Blue Universe. The whole series, Omnibus, will eventually be available, I think at the end of next month. Currently, I have remastered Apocalyptic Blueberry, and you know, the whole thing will become available as digital too, but for now, it's only on digital. I think tomorrow or the next day, it'll be going live as a physical comic book, which is really exciting for me. I've had a great time going back and really putting a lot of effort into fixing and tweaking pages, enhancing pages. I'm like Decker from Blade Runner, like enhance, 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 enhance. And then enhance again. A little too much enhancing. No, just kidding. But we're getting into the printed comics. I'm making sure nothing gets left half-assed, or, you know, like I wish I had gone back and put a little bit more effort in. I'm going all out and putting all the work I want to in these comics. And so the printed version is the final version of these comics. If they were to be done anymore, I don't know, there'll be a movie or something. That would be fun. But Apocalyptic Blueberry was the fan favorite, and so that's why I started. There's Size of the Blueberry, and then there's Apocalyptic Blueberry, and then there's Blue Planet. So I'm gonna get back to Wendy Wonka, getting into all the Blue Universe. But yeah, here we go, and just in time for it to be done. So again, this is Wonky Wendy and the Crumbling Candy Factory, issue 5 of the Epic Epilogue. I'll see you next time.